In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text background color on Figjam using Figma for beginners. Whether you're new to Figma or just need a little help navigating its interface, this tutorial will walk you through the steps to enhance your design with colorful text backgrounds. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by heading over to Figma, which is our collaborative interface design tool of choice. Make sure you're connected to the internet and open up your preferred web browser. Type in the Figma website URL or click on your saved bookmark if you have one, and you'll be taken straight to Figma's homepage. Once you're there, it's time to log in. For those of you who've been with Figma for a while, this should be familiar ground. Click on the login button, which can usually be found at the top right corner of the page. If you're using a shared or public computer, remember to log out when you're done to keep your designs safe. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Figma homepage. This is where you can access all your recent projects, files, and teams. From here, we're going to navigate to Figjam, Figma's whiteboarding and brainstorming space. It's a great tool for getting ideas on paper, so to speak, in a visual and collaborative way. Click on the Figjam option from the menu, and you'll enter a new canvas where we can start working. Figjam provides a flexible space that's perfect for ideation, so let's use it to our advantage by adding some text. At this point, we want to move on to adding text. Look for the text tool, which often appears as a T icon in your toolbar. Click on it and then click on your canvas where you want to place your text. Type in whatever you'd like. Maybe it's a heading for your brainstorm session or a key point you don't want to forget. With your text in place, now it's time to add some color to its background to make it stand out. This can be really useful for highlighting, categorizing, or simply making your design more visually appealing. Click on the color option, which will let us define the background color of the text box. A color picker will open up, allowing you to choose any color that suits your design. You can go with something bold and bright for maximum impact, or a subtle shade for a more understated look. And there you have it. You now know how to add a background color to your text in Figjam using Figma. This simple feature can really help to organize your thoughts and create dynamic designs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep experimenting with colors and text styles to make the most of your Figjam experience. Until next time, happy designing.